Taxi in North Bend is looking for a few good drivers to join our team. If you're 23 or older with an Oregon driver's license and can submit to a drug screen, just drop by our...
Make sure it's still pumping water out. Okay, Kevin.
Trout. It's a trout.
It's a trout.
Cuddy. That's a nice little cutthroat. Not what I'm after, but I'll take it. Get me some pliers and get this guy gone. GoPro, stop recording. Finally pulled one out of the little reeds right here.
Island.
The island. Using a Texas rig.
The island.
Little natural color. Been fishing for so long without a bite, my GoPro turned itself off. So, didn't get to get any video, but let's see if we can pull another one out.
Out of your ass?
Out of my ass. And there he is. A little better one. Yeah, about the same size. Yep, GoPro was recording this time. Stop moving. Not bad. Nothing I'm gonna put on the scale, but there's two. Back to back, same spot. GoPro, stop recording. Good one. Good one.
Got one?
Good one.
Oh! Oh! Hold on!
Big one. Big one. Big one.
Just calm down. Calm down.
Oh, it's a fucking 5.
Calm down.
It's a 5 all day.
Calm down. Put yourself down there without breaking your rod.
Oh, that's a 5er.
Nice.
Look where I hooked him.
Here.
In the top of the mouth.
Yeah, here. Come here. I got pliers right here. Bring it over here.
I got it.
Oh, okay. You gonna weigh him?
Yep. Yeah, baby.
4 pound. Woo! Let me get my camera and take a picture. Here. Yeah. All right, here, I gotta take a picture.
3-2.
Here, hold on.